how to fix Snapchat not sending snaps. So in this video guys, I will show you the correct way how to fix this on your Snapchat. So just watch this video till the end. So now, and first go and open the settings of your phone and search only for apps option. And what's next? You have here to search for Snapchat, because here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. You look just for Snapchat, then when you found it, you have to open it like this. And what's next, sorry, you have to click on storage option, click on clear cache on the last button in the bottom of the screen. Don't click on clear data. Then you have to go back and click on force stop and click OK. And what's next? You have to go set as the default, and if it is this option open supported links not allow it, you have to allow it like this, and that's it. Your problem will be fixed correctly. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.